कभी शब्दों की भूल भुलैया में घूमे हो किसी भी एग्जाम के अंदर? इफ देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ वर्ड प्ले, दिस इज अ प्राइम एग्जांपल. लेट्स सी. रेनू वुड टेक 15 days. Renu would take 15 days working 4 hours every day to complete a certain task. Let's say that is 60 units. Okay. Seema, on the other hand, would take 8 days working 5 hours a day, which is 40 units. ये वर्क सेम तो नहीं है. लेट्स ट्राई एंड टेक एलसीएम. 120, 60 और 40 का एलसीएम. So this girl is working 2 units per day. So 16 to 2, 120. And this girl, Seema, is working 3 units per day, which again gives you 120. क्या ये बात समझ में आती है अभी तक? Yes. Okay. They decided to work together to complete this task, which is 120 units. Seema agrees to work for double the number of hours. Okay, let's say she works 2x hours as Renu. So Renu would work for x hours. Yes or no? यहां तक समझ में आ रहा होगा. While Renu agrees to work for double the number of days. Let's say this girl works for D days, Seema. Renu would work for 2D days. Simple. Now, okay. If Renu works 2 hours, okay, Renu works for 2 hours. This is 2. So this would be double of that, which is 4 hours. Yes or no? Awesome. ये अभी तुमको पता है. Total काम 120 करना है. Seema works for 4 hours every day. Her units were Seema के. She worked 3 units per day. Yes or no? And she's working for how many days? D days. This plus Renu का 2 hours per day into how many units? Renu was doing 2 units. 2 into how many days? 2 days. This has to be equal to 120. Let's sum this up. This is 12D plus this is 8D, which is 120. क्या ये सही कर रहे हैं हम? 4 4 8. I think अभी तक बराबर है. This is 20D is equal to 120. D आ गया तुम्हारा 6. पूछा क्या है? Then the number of days Seema will work. Seema works for how many days? कहाँ गई Seema? D days. D is equal to 6. And the answer to this question shall be 6. I hope this is clear.